Hello friends, in this video I will present you this device. I will repair and I will show you what has inside. Let's begin. First of all, I have to tell you that this is very heavy because enclosure is from iron. This is a part of a home entertainment system. It's very quality and very expensive. Was originally more than 1,500 euros. This is the back. Now let's see what has inside. This is the inside. You can see this is a PC DVD writer, DVD-ROM. It's very good quality. And I forgot to tell you what the problem is. Problem is that when you want to power on this device, it has LED here. The LED are blinking and the device is not powering on. And I will show you closer, but this is a switch mode power supply. This is the input voltage and that's the output voltage. And it's obvious that more of capacitors are dead. I will show you. Now let's take a closer look of this power supply. It's obviously that this and these capacitors are dead. Other capacitors, they are looking good. I will take out and measure everyone and I will tell you. I've took out these fat capacitors and they are completely dead. I will show you. Let's take this one. That's completely dead. And this otherwise. So I look on the PCB. It shows 29 volts input and output has 5 volts, 12 volts and minus 27 volts and filament voltage for the display. Now I will replace those capacitors. So I've replaced those 3 capacitors. They are on 5 volts rail. I tested all other capacitors and they are looking good and they have a good value. Now I will put it back and I am sure that it will work perfectly. This was made in 2006 and worked perfectly for 16 years, and now it will work more 10 years. If you have a device like this, you have to check this power supply module and replace all that capacitors that they are bad. Yes, it's working. Good job. If you have questions, please put it in a comment, and if you made it so far, please give a big like. Thanks for watching. Bye.